In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share music on Spotify. We will walk through sharing from your phone and from your computer, so you can send any track or playlist to friends in a few taps. On Android or iPhone, start by opening Spotify. Once the app loads, you should land on either Home, Search, or your library. Any of these is fine. Just make sure you are logged in and you can see your usual Spotify content. If the screen looks empty, give it a second so your playlists and recommendations appear. Now find the song, album, or playlist you want to share. You can scroll through Home, open your library, or use the Search tab. When you tap Search, you can type the exact song name or artist to reach the right item. A quick tip here, sharing from the album or playlist page sends people to the full list, not just a single track, which is useful for mixes. Once you see the song, album, or playlist, tap the three-dot menu next to it. On a song, this menu usually sits to the right of the title. On an album or playlist, you will see the three dots near the top of its page. When you tap it, a menu slides up from the bottom with several options like Add to Playlist and Go to Radio. From that menu, tap Share. The word Share will sit alongside an icon that looks like three connected dots. As soon as you tap Share, another panel opens showing a row of apps and other sharing options. If you do not see your favorite app right away, you can usually scroll the list sideways. Next, choose how you want to share it. You can pick WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, or another app that appears. Your device will jump into that app with the Spotify link ready to send. If you pick Copy Link, the web link goes into your clipboard, and you can paste it into an email, a text, or anywhere you like. If you choose Spotify Code, you will see a small image with a barcode under the cover art. A friend can scan that code in their Spotify search camera, and it opens the music instantly. Now let us switch to Windows, Mac, or the web player. First, open Spotify on your computer. Make sure you can see your playlists on the left and your main content in the center. The layout is similar whether you use the desktop app or the website. Then find the song, album, or playlist. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through your library on the left. Once the item is visible in the list or on its page, you are ready to open its menu. Right-click the item or click the three-dot menu. On desktop, right-clicking anywhere on the song line opens a context menu. If you prefer, you can click the three dots next to the track name or near the album or playlist title. From that menu, select Share. A smaller side menu appears with sharing choices. This is where you choose what kind of link you want. Finally, choose Copy Link or Copy Embed Code. Copy Link gives you a regular Spotify web address that opens in the app when someone clicks it. Copy Embed Code gives you a chunk of code for websites, so you can place a Spotify player on a blog or page. By following these steps, you just learned how to share any Spotify song, album, playlist, or profile from your phone or computer. If this helped you share music more easily, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Spotify tips.